BL actors who are CEOs in real life 2025. Hello guys, welcome to CK Gossip. Like, share, subscribe our channel. Let's start the video. Number 1. Name: Fourth Net Award. Profession: actor, singer, influencer. Date of birth: October 18, 2004. Age in 2025, 21. Business: merchandise line, partnered content creator. Net worth: 1 million to 1.5 million US dollars. Final note: the youngest on the list, Foz star is quickly rising with fan base across Asia. Number 2. Name: Zeeproc. Profession: actor, model. Date of birth: September 10, 1992. Age in 2025, 33 years old. Business: runs clothing line and co-investor in media production. Net worth: 3 million to 4 million US dollars. Final note: Z has cemented his place in the industry through constant hits and business savvy. Number 3. Name: Win Metawin Upas. Profession: actor, model, singer. Date of birth: February 21, 1999. Age in 2025, 26 years old. Business: co-owner of Valence fashion brand, collaborations with Prada. Net worth: 6 to 8 million US dollars. Final note: Win is one of the most marketable actors globally from the Thai BL wave. Number 4. Name: Top Jeraket. Profession: actor, singer. Date of birth: May 1, 1994. Age in 2025, 31 years old. Business: invest in cafes and digital fashion brands. Net worth: 2 to 3 million US dollars. Final note: Top has built a strong fandom and is leveraging his fame for stable investments. Number 5. Name: Tay Taiwan. Profession: actor, host, MC. Date of birth: July 20, 1991. Age in 2025, 34 years old. Business: owner of Proud and Joy Cafe, real estate investor. Net worth: 4 to 5 million US dollars. Final note: Tay is a household name in Thailand with business ventures in lifestyle and dining. Number 6. Name: Saint Supapong. Profession: actor, producer, CEO. Date of birth: April 17, 1998. Age in 2025, 27 years old. Business: founder and CEO of Idol Factory Co. Limited. Net worth: 5 to 6 million US dollars. Final note: Saint is one of the few actors who became a CEO of his own entertainment company. Number 7. Name: PP Crete. Profession: actor, singer, model. Date of birth: April 13, 1999. Age in 2025, 26 years old. Business, founder of fashion and lifestyle brand PP Crate Official. Net worth 4 to 5 million US dollars. Final note, a fashion icon and top tier BL star, PP Crate is making global waves. Number 8. Name, Pond Neravid, profession actor. Date of birth, February 1, 2001. Age in 2025, 24 years old. Business, partner in F&B startup, clothing collaborations. Net worth, 1.5 to 2 million US dollars. Final note, gained fame from Fish Upon the Sky with steady popularity. Number 9. Name, Pod Supakon, profession, actor model. Date of birth, May 10, 1999. Age in 2025, 26 years old. Business, co-owner of a Thai skincare brand. Net worth, 1 to 1.5 million US dollars. Final note, Pod is becoming a favorite face in both commercials and dramas. Number 10. Name, Pavin Thanek, profession, actor, influencer. Date of birth, October 8, 2000. Age in 2025, 24 years old. Business, owns a streetwear fashion label. Net worth, 800K to 1 million US dollars. Final note, rising star in the BL industry, actively building a strong personal brand. Number 11. Name, Pavel Naired, profession, actor, singer. Date of birth, January 15, 1997. Age in 2025, 28 years old. Business, owner of a clothing line and part-time DJ brand partnerships. Net worth, 1 to 1.5 million US dollars. Final note, known for In of Love, Pavel is branching out into fashion and digital content. Number 12. Name, Om Pawat, profession, actor model. Date of birth, March 22, 2000. Age in 2025, 25 years old. Business, involved in content creation, endorsements, rumored startup investor. Net worth, around 2 to 3 million US dollars. Final note, gained fame from Bad Buddy and is expanding his career into film and entrepreneurship. Number 13. Name, Of Jampool, profession, actor, host, producer. Date of birth, January 20, 1991. Age in 2025, 34 years old. Business, co-founder of Co Entertainment, also runs brand collaborations. Net worth, estimated 3 to 4 million US dollars. Final note, Off is known for his long-time partnership with Gun Athapan and has ventured behind the camera in recent years. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe CK Gossip.